Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making whole wheat tortillas, and I've never made tortillas before and I thought it would be fun and it seemed pretty simple. I have my bag of whole wheat here, whole wheat flour, and it has a recipe on the side, so I'm just going to use this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of whole wheat, or no, this is the whole wheat flour. Oops. Whole wheat flour. Then I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to take 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm just going to mix this around a little bit just to mix up the ingredients. Alright, now that's good. I'm going to lower this, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lard. It's going to be hard trying to scoop this out of here. Okay. Good enough. So now I'm just going to mix this together. Alright, I'm just mixing it together a little, and I think it's good. It says it's supposed to be like a course meal sort of texture. So now I'm going to add in 2/3 of a cup of warm water, slowly. Alright, so now I've rolled it in a ball, and I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I had it set for 15 minutes, and here's my dough. And I have my tortilla warmer and my tortilla press. Okay, so I'm going to grab a golf ball size piece of dough. And now I'm going to lay it on here on my wax paper. I'm going to press down. Now I'm going to lift this up. And I got to carefully take it off. Now I'm going to lay it on top of my pan. And I have some meat heating up over here, so that way I can taste it with the tortilla once it's done. And I'm just going to let it heat it up a little bit. You can see it's already starting to heat up. Alright, I think it's good now. I would use my hands because my dad uses his hands, but I'm too scared to burn myself. Let me move the or stir the meat around a little. It's starting to burn. Or not burn, but you can hear it sizzling. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make a taco. Well, I'll put the pan over here so I can taste the tortilla. They're pretty tiny, so I'm gonna only put a little bit. Oh, let me flip this one. I'm just gonna use the spatula. Alright, that one looks good. I think like that much. Just so it's not overflowing. Here's the taco. Okay, it tastes really good. And I think it tastes better than like a store-bought tortilla. Like, let me show you. We just have like soft and fluffy home-style fajita flour tortillas, and they taste good, but I mean, I like flour tortillas better than corn tortillas, and warming them up, they don't taste like as fresh. And I know sometimes I'll go to an H-E-B, which is a store here, famous in Texas, and I remember they have like a whole tortilla making area, and we used to buy their tortillas all the time, and sometimes they would have like nice fresh hot ones too, and then I'd go home, put some butter on it, and it tastes really good. So it's weird when you have like these that were like in the fridge and then you just heat it up on a stove. So I like how they taste in there. Yeah, those are more processed. And these were really easy to make too, so I'll probably make them again because I have a lot of the flour left, so I can make a bunch more during the quarantine. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.